Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so cleanse lang natin yung space kasi currently nasa ibang lugar ako, and while having free time, gagawin ko muna kayo ng inyong love reading. Okay. So, itong love reading na to ay para sa lahat ng water signs. So, Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano ba masasagap kong energy from the collective. So, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Actually, mataas ang engagement ng water signs. So, thank you so much sa suporta. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan by liking this video and commenting below. It really helps the channel grow. And sa mga bagong nakasubaybay, kung you're connecting with me and you find my readings helpful as guidance, subscribe na kayo para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Yan. See? Thank you so much. And as I always remind everyone here in my channel, this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to, or hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading, or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, book a personal private reading. Nasa description box naman yung email address ko. So, message lang kayo kasi better yun, mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang 8 card spread kung saan bubunot ako na isang card. Well, 8 cards. 1 from the other deck and 1 from this deck. And then, sa end, bubunot ako ng 2 cards from the oracle deck that would be the advice of the universe. So, depende sa situation nyo. Okay, so tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. Okay, ngayong papasok na June. So, ano bang love message para sa inyo? So, I'll get the 6th card since June na ngayon, Gemini season. So, let's see. First card for the water signs. Yan, Page of Cups. And 9 of Cups. Okay. So, with the Page of Cups and the 9 of Cups showing up here, you can see na there's a connection that is quite new. Fresh na fresh siya. Pwedeng nasa infatuation stage pa lang kayo. Pwede ring yung energy kasi na nakuha ko dito is parang from a younger person. So, pwedeng yung person ninyo that you are currently romantically connected ay someone younger. And for some of you, it may be a same gender love story. Kasi for this deck, sa deck na to, itong Page of Cups is associated with the same gender romance. Okay? So with the 9 of Cups also showing up here na there's a lot of despite the fresh or parang new connection na meron kayo, yung stability and yung maturity emotionally nung person ninyo is hindi siya parang baguhan. Okay, sa pagdating sa relasyon. And nakikita ko rin dito na yung when it comes to the expressing emotions here, mas kayang i-express ng person nyo kahit mas bata siya sa inyo. Okay? Hindi porket parang mas bata kasi minsan ang tendency, ano pa siya, hindi niya, immature pa siya when it comes to love. Pero ano bang, if you're 39, tapos 35 yung partner niyo, di ba? You won't say na, bata pa siya kaya hindi pa siya mature enough. Hindi. So, pero despite that, kahit nga ito, if you're 40 and you're in a relationship with 10 years younger than you, I can sense some maturity dun sa end niya. Pero tingnan natin ano pang storya nito. Oh, Temperance. Okay, see. Temperance and the Empress, yeah. So, tulad nga sinabi ko, medyo mature yung person niya emotionally. And with the Temperance card showing up here, I can see some balance, some harmony, and peace. And so much nurturing love ang binibigay ng person na to sa inyo. I mean, pagkasama nyo siya, despite the age gap, and despite what other people say na parang, oy, this person is too young for you, or hindi pa siya mature, baka i-playtime ka lang. Hindi. Actually, this person is so mature to the point na kaya niya ibigay sa iyo yung nurturing love na hindi mo rin, na matagal mo nang hinahanap, na akala mo mahahanap mo sa ka-age mo or even older than you. So, with the Empress card showing up here, very nurturing yung love and affection na kayang i-provide nitong person na to. And coupled with peace, di ba? Very nurturing na, very peaceful pa. So, in the long run, it will progress pa to something na will result in a deeper connection between you and your person. Oops. Dalawa na yun. Okay, yeah. So, 10 of Cups pa lumabas. So, there's very promising yung connection ninyo to the point na it may lead to a long-lasting relationship or long-term relationship. Yeah, see, with the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. See, with the 10 of Cups here, which is a card of love, affection, stability when it comes to relationship, security when it comes to relationship. Tapos with the Ace of Pentacles pa, which is us, this person will invest in the relationship. Okay? Again, despite the yung pagiging mas bata niya sa inyo, mas kaya pa niyang magdala ng relasyon. Kumpara, I mean not saying compared sa iyo, pero kumpara sa mga previous mo rin nakarelasyon na either kasing edad mo or older than you or even younger, even dun sa mga kaedaran niya na kakilala mo, di ba? You can sense the maturity when it comes to expressing then the love, the affection. Alam niya kung anong gusto niya din sa isang relasyon. And dahil alam niya yung gusto niya sa isang relasyon, tapos pinupurso ka niya, and this person wants to invest, ibig sabihin nakikita din niya yung potential ng connection o ng relasyon ninyong dalawa. And if a person wants to invest, ibig sabihin, he or she believes in the relationship and gagawa niya at mag-e-effort siya para hindi siya mag-fail, di ba? Okay. Yan. Lumabas nga lang si Eight of Swords. Okay. And the Wheel of Fortune here. Careful lang kasi meron kang tendency na parang, ay, hindi ko to deserve. May ganun kang feeling. And, but you're entering a new cycle in this relationship, and something that is actually meant to be. Yung energy niya, I'm not saying na okay na talaga magkakatuloyan forever and ever, diba? And happily ever after, like fairy tale kind of thing. But not that. But you're entering a new cycle, a new phase, and with this person, and you just have to enjoy and embrace it, and be happy that this person came to your life. Hindi mo na kailangang isipin pa na, wait, deserve ko ba to, itong kind of love? Of course, deserve mo yan. First, alam mo sa sarili mo na minanifest mo tong love na to. It may be, baka hindi mo lang siguro ina-expect is that this person is someone younger than you, and pinoproject mo na parang, mas bata, baka hindi pa niya kaya, or hindi pa siya mature enough for this kind of relationship that I want, for this commitment that I want, for this long-term relationship that I want. Okay? Pero actually, capable at may capacity itong person na to. So, huwag ka nang mag self-doubt and self-sabotage din sa mga kaganapan. Okay, with the Page of Swords here showing up with Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you have to be truthful, be honest. May yung ang tawag doon, may hesitation ka din talaga to say what you want, to provide clarity and expressing what you need. Saka yun nga, parang may doubt ka pa nga na parang ipupush mo ba to or not? Be honest with yourself. Nasa thoughts mo na siya. Parang nag-formulate na rin siya sa thoughts mo. Idea mo na gusto mo naman talaga to. Pero may mga sumusulpot din na not so good thoughts that parang dinadala ka sa sitwasyon na kailangan mong pumili. Which is kung tutusin, hindi mo naman talaga kailangan pumili kasi alam mo naman na ito yung gusto mong karelasyon. Itong tao na to that possesses that Empress and Temperance energy. Diba? Siguro parang hindi nga lang siya pumasok sa different criteria mo when it comes maybe sa age or physically, di ba? Dahil nga baka preferred mo I want the same age or older than me. Sabi nga, may nakuha akong ganung energy na parang di ba, minsan may mga kilala ko na ganyan na parang ayoko sa bata kasi hindi pa sila, parang they prefer nga older guys or girls, di ba? Dahil nga parang in their mind experience na, mature na, pero di ba, I mean, you yourself will age, di ba? And pwedeng may mas older din sa'yo na magkagusto sa'yo dahil nakikita din yung maturity sa'yo. Ganun din yun. I mean, it's the same thing pag nung na-meet mo siya na parang it's just that younger siya doesn't mean that wala siyang mga pinagdaanan experience and mga learnings in life that allowed him or her to be more mature than others. Okay? Okay. Knight of Swords. Okay. And the Magician. Yeah. Di ba sinabi ko kanina, ito naman talaga yung minanifest mo. Magician is card of manifestation. And Knight of Swords, ito yung parang yung thoughts mo, the ideas in your head, and pwede rin the conversations you're having is moving forward faster than before. Parang mas nag-progress pa siya. Okay? And relating to something that you manifest, but parang yung thought mo, the idea mo, parang nag-start na rin siya mag-materialize. Okay? And wag mo na siyang pigilan kasi with the Magician card showing up here, you have naman din what you ask for, di ba? When it comes to fulfilling your needs emotionally, physically, di ba? sinabi ko na, emotionally, physically, financially, di ba? Mentally, di ba? Yung mga manifestations na yun, nagmamaterialize na siya actually, and it's materializing through this person. Okay? And you just have to be honest and true to yourself kasi hindi mo na mapipigilan. Parang kahit yung mga thoughts mo na parang baka ganito, baka ganyan, alam mo, upuan mo siya and just naging parang humarap ka sa salamin. Alam mo, ito yung gusto mo. Diba? So, wag mo na siyang pigilan pa kasi nagpo-progress na rin talaga itong connection. Diba? See, with the death card here, you just have to let go. Diba? So, tingnan mo, death card and the devil. There are things, yung mga fears, demons, and I think ang kalaban mo dito, yung thoughts mo eh. Ang nafe-feel ko dito with this spread, the devil here is hindi siya as a person, but those mga thoughts that hinders the progress. Alam mo yung mga bad thoughts, mga fears in your head na parang, alam mo naman na fina-formulate na siya ng utak mo, hindi naman talaga siya yung reality. But you have to leave that and transform and parang shift from that perspective to a different one. Kasi yung perspective mo na yan ang actually nagbo-block nung flow of supposed to be the happy love story na sana. Diba? Kasi lumabas yung Wheel of Fortune pa kanina, diba? Last card. See, with the Hierophant here, see, Ten of Pentacles is similar siya dun sa Ten of Cups, but Ten of Pentacles with the Hierophant here is a commitment. Hindi ko sinasabi, mag-commit ka na, but this is what's the energy here for you to have a happy love story or romantic life is to be true to yourself, and commitment lang talaga ang kulang dito. Commitment kasi there's this energy of happily ever after, settling down, being together, happy. Kung makita nyo parang generation to generation, diba? From the grandparents, the parents, to the kids. So, it's a long-term relationship na yung nandyan, knocking on your doorstep, diba? All you have to do is open that door and welcome that person into your life, diba? And removing that devil in your head that blocks the energy. Okay? So, ayan. So, sana nakatulong tong reading na to. I-end natin siya with the advice from the universe. What should do if nag-resonate to sa inyo? Diba? Tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe sa inyo. And ano yung kailangan gawin. This is just a guidance. Use this reading with discernment. Don't rely lang din sa tarot and oracle readings na yun na yung magiging ninyo. Parang ultimate truth. Hindi. You always have free will. Gamitin nyo lang tong guidance. Okay. So, first card, diba? Prosperity. And truth. See, sinabi ko, magpakatotoo ka. The prosperity or the abundance, because prosperity also means abundance in your love life and relationship. Ito rin ito yung energy din niya. Ten of Pentacles has this energy of prosperity. Diba? If you want that prosperous love life, of abundant ka sa love, affection, lahat ng mga needs mo na po-provide, diba? May growth. Just be true to yourself. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, alam mo yung mga minanifest mo, magpakatotoo ka na. Wag mo nang lokohin din ang sarili mo. Kasi alam mo naman na itong person na to is providing your needs, di ba? Sa lahat ng aspect like mga sinabi ko kanina. Okay, so sana nakatulong tong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa akin channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo, kita kits. Ingat!